Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We're sitting in a 2015 Toyota Sienna with a noisy blower motor. Listen to this thing. The blower motor lives under the glove box. Let me turn it on. Can you hear that grumbling noise? That's the blower motor out of balance. When the blower motor gets out of balance, as it spins, it vibrates, makes all that crazy noise. There's not much you can do other than just replace the blower motor. So let me show you how to do that. Our blower motor lives underneath the glove box. Now you don't have to take the glove box off like I did. I just wanted to give you a good visual. So now let's go under and we'll look up. You'll see our 3 fasteners and our electrical connector. From underneath, we'll pop off our electrical connector. Then we have 3 8mm bolts. We'll pop those off. Reset you up. 1, 2, and then we'll hold it while we pull off the 3rd one. There we go, should come straight out. Nice. We have our new blower motor. Match it up with your old one, make sure everything looks the same, and then read our directions. It says, warning, read entire procedure prior to installing the blower motor. The basic information to note from here is that we want to disconnect our negative battery cable while installing our new one, and then clear any codes that may be in the system. If you have any blower motor codes, we want to clear those first before running our blower motor. So make sure you follow those directions. All right, let's get it installed. Feed the new one in. There we go. Put a couple of our fasteners in, and then we'll snug it up. Now you're going into plastic, so don't cram it down, just good and snug. Plug it in. There we go. All right, let's turn it on and see what we got. Put the microphone down there. Nice and quiet. All right, that's it, pretty basic. You can have the old blower out, new one put back in less than half an hour. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, see you on the next one.